Welcome to a journey of innovation and excellence with Home Vibe Properties, a leader in residential real estate, known for its commitment to creating vibrant communities and delivering exceptional living experiences. But in today's fast-paced market, even the best face challenges. At Home Vibe Properties, one such challenge stands out: tenant retention. Tenant turnover is more than just a statistic, it's a critical factor that impacts revenue, reputation, and operational efficiency. High churn rates, lack of actionable insights, and inefficiencies in lease renewals have made it difficult for Home Vibe Properties to maintain its competitive edge. The solution? A powerful, data-driven approach that leverages cutting-edge technology. Introducing the Tenant Retention Optimization Project, a strategic initiative designed to transform challenges into opportunities. This project is not just about numbers, it's about unlocking the full potential of data to create actionable insights and drive sustainable growth. Our mission is clear: build an interactive tenant retention dashboard using Power BI, analyze historical data to identify churn factors, and streamline lease renewals. This is more than a project, it's a blueprint for success in the real estate industry. With Power BI, we'll integrate and transform data, uncover trends, and deliver insights that empower decision-making. From data analysis to dashboard development, every step is designed to enhance revenue, improve tenant satisfaction, and give Home Vibe Properties a competitive edge. Imagine a future where tenant retention is no longer a challenge, but a strength, where every lease renewal is an opportunity to foster long-term relationships and build a thriving community. This project is your chance to be part of that future. Join us in this exciting journey. Let's optimize tenant retention and redefine excellence in the residential real estate industry. The tools are ready, the data is waiting. Are you ready to make an impact?